Hello guys, how are you all? In this video we have got the new smartphone from Vivo Y18, which has been launched by Vivo in India and in other countries also. So in this video I will share the experience with this smartphone, that how much it costs and what you get inside the box of this smartphone. So as you unbox, the first thing you get is the smartphone. After this we have some user manual. The price of this smartphone is around 10,000, and after this we have one data cable, but there's no charger, no cover, so you cannot expect anything rather than this data cable. So these are the box contents what you get inside this budget phone Vivo Y18. Now let's talk about the design. So it comes with plastic back panel, but it looks really great. As you can see, the back panel of this smartphone, which is looking really great and it shines really well. So if you are planning for a smartphone which should look great, so this smartphone would be great choice for you. But don't make your decision about this smartphone now. Watch the video till the end. I will share my experience and how it performs. We'll talk about the performance and other things also. So in terms of design, this smartphone is really great. As usual, Vivo's smartphone are always great. So just like that, this smartphone is also good. And you can see the camera ring, kind of golden ring you get in this smartphone. We have 50MP main camera on the back side of this phone, which performs really well. So if you are planning for a budget smartphone in which you get good camera, then this smartphone is really great in terms of camera and design. And what do you think about the design of this smartphone? Do let me know in the comment section. Now let me turn it on and show you the display quality, which kind of display you get in this phone. So here we have IPS HD plus display, and the size of the display is around 6.5 inches. So the size is good and the quality is okay. They should have given full HD plus display in this smartphone, which is not there. So in terms of user interface, you can see when you will swipe up, you will get all the applications, and in terms of UI, I would say that it is great. And let me show you the refresh rate what you get in this smartphone. So here we have the option of 90 Hz. You can use this smartphone at 90 Hz refresh rate, so the smoothness is okay. According to its price, I would say that they should have given 120 Hz refresh rate, so that we can get more better, smoother experience. So the refresh rate is 90 Hz in this phone. And let me tell you the display quality. So here we have the notch in the display, so design is also average. In terms of display quality, I would say that the colors and brightness is really great. You won't have any problem regarding the colors and the brightness of this smartphone. In terms of display quality, colors, brightness, it is really great smartphone. But if you see the features like the design and the refresh rate, and it's not a full HD plus display, so in these things, I would say according to its price, they should have given a better features, like they should have given 120 Hz refresh rate and the punch hole in the display. So these things are missing. On the left side we have SIM slot. This smartphone is 4G, not 5G, so this is also a very big disappointment, I would say. And on the right side we have volume rockers and power button. Fingerprint scanner is placed on the right side inside the power button. On the top we have speaker grill, so the speaker is given on the top instead of bottom. And let me show you the RAM and storage, what kind of a RAM and storage and how much you get in this phone. So in this smartphone, in rupees 10,000, you get 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. And according to the price, the storage is good and the RAM is also okay. Now let me show you the Android version. There is an option of RAM expansion, so you can expand the RAM also of this smartphone. And here we have latest version of Android 14. So it is good that you get a latest version of Android in this smartphone. Now let me show you the speed of this smartphone and how does it perform. Let's talk about the performance. So in this smartphone you get very weak performance. I would say that if you are planning for a smartphone which should perform really fast, and you are a heavy user, you want gaming, and you do a lot of work with your smartphone, then this smartphone would not meet your expectation, because the performance you get in this smartphone is really average. If you are a normal user, like you want to gift this smartphone to your mother and to your grandparents, then it would be a better choice, a good choice. But if you are planning for a smartphone which should perform faster and there's no hanging issue, then this would be not a good choice for you, because it performs really average, I would say. That as you can see in the video, I have restarted it and it is taking a lot of time in restart test. and I will show you some applications also. The apps opening time, I would show you that how much time it takes to open the applications. So it took a lot of time in restart test, and still it is taking time. So I would say in terms of performance, it is an average smartphone. And talking about the battery, it has 5000 milliampere battery. There would be no problem regarding the battery backup of this smartphone. And you can see the time it is taking in opening the basic applications. So I would say in terms of performance, this smartphone is not that much good. And talking about the other things, like the camera is great, and the display quality is great, design is great, battery is good, RAM and storage is good. But if you consider the other things like the performance and the charger, what you don't get in this smartphone inside the box, so you will have to purchase the charger additionally from the market. So it would cost you around including charger around 11,000. So, and you can see the camera sample also. It is really great in terms of camera, but in terms of other things like performance and the charger, I would say it's an average smartphone. And I'm really sorry for my bad English. I'm not that much fluent, but I will try to make my English fluent as soon, because I'm trying to upload the videos regularly and it's not my native language. That's why I'm having a problem in it. So I would say this smartphone is really average. If you are a heavy user, you can skip this smartphone, and if you are a normal user and you want to gift it to your mother and grandparents, then you can go ahead. But I would say according to its price, they should have given a good processor in this smartphone so that it could perform well. But that thing is missing. And in terms of charger also, they should have given charger in the box, which is missing, and you will have to purchase it additionally. So I would say in my opinion, this smartphone is average, and you can go for other smartphones also which are available in the market and online from Vivo brand, which are really performing really well in the market, like Vivo T series. The T3X has been launched by Vivo in past few days back. So you can go for that by expanding your budget by 3,000. It would cost you around 13,500. So I would say this smartphone is average, and you can skip this smartphone if you are planning for a smartphone which should perform well. Now do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this Vivo Y18, and would you buy this smartphone or not, and would you gift it to someone or not? Do let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more unboxing and comparison videos. I would try to upload consistently. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.